Okay, so in this video, we're gonna take a look at week number 7, the week after your initial 6-week blueprint, okay? Well, actually, this is beyond week 7, this is 8, 9, and 10, and so on, but okay, so what you wanna begin in week 7 is you wanna start customizing and tweaking things from your original 6-week blueprint, because within 6 weeks, you would have already gathered some information what is working for you and what is not working for you, or maybe working at different time frames or in different combinations of variables. Okay, so for example, and the first one I have here is I mentioned before that after work you want to start doing yoga. Okay, well, maybe you don't want to do that, so can you just stop? Well, yeah, you could probably try stopping. Now what likely is going to happen is you'll see a difference in how you feel. Okay, but maybe you can do something else to boost, or maybe you don't need it that much. Okay, so this is something that you're going to have to decide on if you want to keep it in your schedule or not. Okay, the second thing here I have is, well, maybe there is something you need to accomplish or do more, and doing just half an hour per day is not enough. Okay, so maybe you're going to increase it to 1 hour or 2 hours or 3 hours. Okay, so maybe you increase that amount. Okay, so that would be a change, okay, that you may have to implement in week number 7. You may keep it for like 2 weeks or 3 weeks. You don't have to change it every single week. You can keep it for as long as you want until you decide to change it. Okay, so remember that. Okay, diet. Diet is a really big one when it comes to anxiety, worry, depression, and so on. Okay, if you can focus on diet and remove gluten, if you can remove gluten, you're gonna help yourself a lot. Okay, but so in this case, you may be looking at, well, am I hungry in the morning? Am I hungry during the lunch hour at noon? Or am I hungry in the evening? Or maybe I crave certain things. So you might start working on the diet more, because diet has direct effect on your total health and directly on your mental health, okay? Because if you can fix the gut bacteria inside, you're gonna fix your brain right away, okay? So number 4 is, well, you should have been working out, okay, by now, and the workout you've selected, well, is it the right one? How do you feel? Okay, or maybe you kind of feeling better, but you feel like you want more, let's say, weight training, okay, or maybe you want the opposite, maybe you want more aerobic training. So you're gonna feel a certain way, and your body's gonna tell you which way it wants to go. So you want to kind of help it to go in a direction where it feels better. Okay, so you might have to select a different workout program if you want to improve. Okay, so number 5 is maybe you have to focus on sleep. Okay, and sleep is a really, really big one. If you had to choose between diet, workout, sleep, and stress management, sleep actually should be your number 1, and then the diet, and then the workouts, and then the stress management. The reason I'm saying this is sleep actually produces, recovers your body, your brain gets cleaned, your tendons, your muscles get fixed, your hormones get reset. I mean, there's a bunch of stuff goes on in sleep. Okay, and if you want, you can read the book called Why We Sleep, which just has a lot of information on why it's so important to sleep. Okay, and so you might focus on fixing that. So basically what you want to do, the main theme of week 7 and on, is you want to start changing only one variable at a time, and then seeing how it impacts your daily routine, your mental focus, your daily schedule. Maybe your relationships need to be changed, your physical location. I mean, there is a bunch of stuff that goes on here, but take it one variable at a time. Don't jump to conclusions. It's better to gather more information rather than just boom, do it because one day that's how you felt.